Hello guys, this is Mr. Said Samir, your new colleague from West Administration in Zagzig. It's my best of luck to be your new trainer. This video will be about Zoom app. So this is an orientation video about Zoom app. I will explain how to install Zoom app on your mobile phone or your laptop or computer. So let's start. At first, please install Zoom app as follows. You can use this link to install Zoom app for your computer or laptop. To your Android mobile or tablet, you can use this link. To your Apple iPhone or iPad, you can use this link. After installing the Zoom app, the screen will be like this, or this is the home page screen. You will click on Join. After that, the next screen will be like this. I will send you the passcode and meeting ID before the session. So you will copy the meeting ID and paste here, and paste it here. You can change your name from here, okay, like this, Mr. Said Samir Said Ali, okay? Please use your real name, not a nickname, okay? After that, you can click on Join, okay? The next screen will be like this. Enter meeting passcode, okay? So you'll copy passcode and then make a copy of passcode and then paste it here. Then join meeting. The next screen will be like this. You will click on join audio at first. Then call over the internet. Okay? So here will appear a mic. You can mute or unmute yourself from this mic. If you want to speak, you can unmute yourself, okay? Please for me to collate the attendance when you join the meeting. Please write down your full name in the chat box. As you know, the session maximum duration in Zoom is 40 minutes. So if it disconnects, please use the same ID and passcode to rejoin again. The session is gonna be recorded. So, waiting you all. Thank you.